sold 10 lines. Oh my, am I alright? Thanks for asking, doing just fine. Don't say that, you're looking real nice. We'll have to chat right now before I get high. When you gaze into my eyes, I feel like I'm on cloud nine. You bang hard and for the line. I think I can go all night, yeah. The way you bite your lips, blush and smile you give. You're just so stunning.
Ano, kaya mo yan?
I've been feeling nothing lately when without you. Something special made me think about you.
Handa akong magkataon sa mababag pa. Dapat na lang, harapin na maubos mo sa isa. Ice cream pa kayo?
Arthur Unit, Marshall Summit, Lady Teddy.
Ay, yung mga indap eh.
Crazy but not like CeeLo. Take a foul shot and call it a free throw. Party foul, party foul. Help her out, grab a towel. But they cheered to the governor while the beer was all over her. Trust me, ain't no amateurs now. We got this, so rest assured. When I think out loud, there's a whizzing cloud. Smoking heavy cloud, feeling good right now. People sitting by the wall and they're leaning. Someone on the bell is dreaming. I've been feeling nothing lately when without you. I know there's something really special. Make me think about you. About you.
Habang tumatagal, lalong sarap talaga. Tikman lang kailangan.
I know that something special made me think about you.
Hindi naman kayo, nasundan nyo kami dito. Ayun ang ice cream. Anong ice cream dito? Ice cream ka ba? Bakit? Kasi sana ay walang bakit. Bakit? Kasi sana hindi ka pwede yun ah. Relate ah, di ba? Relate. Relate guys. Wala tayo, wala. Tunaw na, tunaw. Pagdating yan, tunaw na natin yan. Kumapanood yan. Kasi ako ng ice cream. Kain mo pala. Ice cream ka ba? Bakit? Sana hindi ka maubusan ng pasensya sa akin. Pwede naman, di ba? Ice cream ba kayo? Bakit? Kasi naman, ang ice cream ko, hinahanap ko yun. Iba yung kanya. Walang hawak kamay. Walang ano. Ice cream pa kayo? Bakit? Ice cream pa kayo? Bakit? Bakit? Bye-bye, 50 dollars. Bye-bye, 50. This is for whatever. Bakit? White flavor is mango green. Uy, hindi tayo nag-ano. Ito, masarap to. Cantaloupe melon. Ano? I recommend din. Sarap to. Ito. Ito, pero ito. Ito. Sasakit talagang
Itim na masarap. Mapait naman.
Ito na, oh. Ito.
Sumali.
Kayo naman yan. Ice cream ba kayo? Bakit lang kayo?
Ay, wow.
Hindi nga kumapit ng iwan. Lumayat na. Lana.
Ang kagahanap na nakatulog ka nung chintak ka.
Ilan kayo? Akala ko ano lang. Kasi kakain ko naman. Ingat lang.
Maliit lang na ano.
Ayun. Apat ata. Ano? 7-Eleven. Apat yan. Ay.
Hindi ko na magpa-fashion na tayo ng isuot mo. Fashion show naman ng mga ngayon. Ayan. Yung Fantasia worth $50. Yung Air Jordan niya $100. Air Jordan oh. $100.
Hindi, 200.
200. Tapos yung outfit niya for today worth 250. Plus sapatos 90. Magkano to? 600. Well, hindi pa kasama dyan yung socks. Yung panty niya $60.
Yung necklace pa.
Ay, yung necklace na star, ang mahal niya. Hindi pa na... So, itotal na natin lahat. 250, 600, 700, 800. Medyas. Mga 1,500.
Wow.
1,500. Afford nyo na yung ganyan outfit for $1,500. Carry?
Ano nangyari? Nakaabot sa ice cream?
Ice cream.
Ay, dapat pinodel mo na lang po yung ice
Hoy,
cream din.
model, rampa.
Rampa. Oh, ice cream na kasi lang. Ay, na-ready na magpumpahan.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, ha? Pack. Worth 1,500. Sinong bet? Busy. Uy, ano kaya yung flavor na nakain namin? Ba't mo kami? Next! Ikaw na! Joan! Si Joan mo! Joan! Ako yung host? Joan! Yung face mask, $5. Ah, sige. Black Erlin. Yung ano niya, t-shirt. $20. Yung butas na leggings. $10. Yung sapatos niya. $5. 25, 30, 35. Yung hikaw niya, gold dyan ah. Magkano? $2? Gold dyan, di ba? 200. So, ito magkano shoes? Magkano shoes? 50? 100. So, $200. Afford nyo na yung ganyan outfit. $200 lang. Simple. Mine na lang po. $200.
Oh, ako naman. Ako instant host.
Ayan. Pa. Ikaw na ako yung host. Kaya nga nag-host ako para hindi ako makari. Ikaw na. Ikaw na. Oh, ikaw na. Oh, tapos na. Next! The pressing.
500.
Meat pressing. So, how much is your 500 pesos SSS? Okay, SSS. And then, $17. $17. And then the earrings. Oh, S?
200 pesos.
Oh, The ponytail,
$10.
$10.
Yung brace pa.
And then
Brace 1,000.
the brace is $1,000.
Oh, total.
Total is 5 million. Hoy, ito yan lang.
Kamay.
Pamay na lang, comment down below.
Ano? Ang pinapamay nyo.
Comment down below.
Binibinta lang po.
Mine na mine. Mine na mine. Oh, pak. Isa pa.
30 minutes na.
Wala ka nag-mine.
Wala ka mag-mine. Hintay mo pa mag-mine. Wala talaga mag-mine. Uy!
Next. Miss Joanne. Pamay na lang.
Bargain na lang to. I-bargain ko na
Hoy, may bibili. Sa size mo may bibili. Ito talaga.
I-bargain na nga lang.
Miss Joanne. The mask is, how much is this?
Maybe
$1.
$1.
The mask.
Face mask. Yes, $1.
And then the earring.
The earring, just $20.
$20. And then
This
the-
one,
the
just
clothes?
$2.
$2.
Count it.
So expensive.
This one,
The short pants is how much?
just $1 lang.
$1 lang. And then the shoes? Oh, it's branded, right?
Already, no,
No.
it's not branded.
It's branded, right?
It's free.
Oh, it's
my,
free.
My boss
Oh, that's why
Then
there's
I
some
give you just
sponsor.
free.
Sorry, there's some sponsor
no,
shoes.
24.
Okay, how much is that? Oh, total.
How much?
How much is it?
You
Calculator.
Ano nga yan? Binibilang ko 24 na lahat.
Oh, 300. 300.
O, 324. Magkano yung earrings? Just free.
It's free. It's free. Ah,
$324 for this one.
okay. 300. Pamay.
Ka na dun.
Mine. Model.